Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest and in-depth product reviews.
Today, we have an exciting product to talk about. The Pure Beauty 4-in-1 Pressed Mineral Makeup SPF 15 Powder Foundation.
If you're looking for the best airbrush concealer available in the market, you're in for a treat.
Let's dive right in and explore what makes this product so special.
Let's start with an overview of the Pure Beauty 4-in-1 Pressed Mineral Makeup. This is not your ordinary foundation. It's a multifunctional beauty powerhouse.
It's a pressed mineral makeup, concealer, finishing powder, and it even offers SPF 15 protection. Now, let's talk about the key features that make this product stand out. This product is a 4-in-1 wonder. It serves as a foundation, concealer, and finishing powder, making it a versatile addition to your makeup routine. One of the standout features is that it's mineral-based, which means it's suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. For those of you who prioritize ethical beauty products, you'll be pleased to know that Pure Beauty is both cruelty-free and vegan-friendly. The inclusion of SPF 15 provides an added layer of protection against harmful UV rays, perfect for daily wear. In conclusion, the Pure Beauty 4-in-1 Pressed Mineral Makeup SPF 15 Powder Foundation is truly a game-changer in the world of makeup. Its multifunctional formula, mineral-based ingredients, cruelty-free and vegan-friendly status, and SPF protection make it a top choice for beauty enthusiasts. If you're looking for a versatile concealer and foundation that provides a flawless finish while caring for your skin, this product is a must-try. Don't miss out on the opportunity to enhance your beauty routine with Pure Beauty.
You can find all the details and purchase it on Amazon.com. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest product reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.